In an analysis paralysis loop, break the cycle and learn to decide fast. Let's know about the FAST method. FAST. F. Find facts. Gather the data before you make a move. Next, analyze options. Weigh the pros and cons of each choice. Then, select. Make a firm decision and don't look back. Finally, T. Test. Implement your choice and adjust based on the results. That's the FAST method. Finding facts, analyzing options, selecting from them, testing is the FAST method. Now, don't let maybe hold you back anymore. Trust the process, take the lead, test, learn, revise, and move fast. Good luck.